Why are so many of us walking through life blindfolded? We see that we're unhappy, but we choose to just ignore it because this is just how life is, right? Wrong. There are opportunities online that can change your whole life around if you just choose to see it. And if you know that you're unhappy with what you do, then this could be a life-changing video for you. I first realized how unhappy I was when I would arrive home after work, sit in front of my computer and play video games to escape, oftentimes not even greeting my wife. I would just go through the motions of everyday life because I thought I had to, because that's what I was taught to do growing up. My dad was a business owner and I barely remember seeing him during the week. He was a damn hard worker, which I appreciated about him, but I also got to witness the toll it put on him and on our family because of how little time he got to spend with us. Both my parents started drinking as a way to escape the pressures of life. And as you can imagine, we ended up as a broken family. And I was following in my dad's footsteps because I simply didn't have other options. Tell me if you've heard this before. Go to college, become a doctor, lawyer, accountant, whatever, get a job, work hard, and then you will be successful. My dad was successful. We had all the nice and fancy things. But then why did I feel so dead inside following in his footsteps? Pretty much being miserable at work and at home because this would be my life for the next 30 years. Maybe you feel the same way. And that's when I came across a whole new way of thinking, where thousands of people were using this way to create an entirely new way of living, where you just needed an internet connection and your business was up and running. At first, I was like, there's no way. This is too good to be true. So I didn't look much into it. But then I actually met someone who was living the laptop lifestyle, Michael. That was kind of a wake-up call for me because this was actually real. People were doing this all around the world, and I wanted a piece of it. That's when I reached out to Michael via email asking him how he did it. And he replied with an incredible workshop video series that is completely free, that explains the step-by-step process to start building an automated online business, the exact steps that Michael followed. I just couldn't believe this was real. All I needed to do was learn the skills, and I could be selling products online from the comfort of my own home. I didn't need to quit my job. I didn't need millions in my bank to get started. And I think for the first time in a while, I actually smiled, knowing that there is a different way of living this life. I didn't have to sacrifice my family. I didn't have to sacrifice what I enjoyed doing. The future actually looked exciting to me for the first time. So that's exactly what I did. I followed the steps and built my online business. And now I'm at a point in my journey where I want to help teach others to do the same. If you have any doubt that you're not living the life you want to live, then I highly recommend that you click the link on screen, put in your name and email address so I can send you that workshop video series. And it's completely free, guys. That will show you that sacrificing your life is not the only way of living. There are other ways. And even though it's a new way of thinking, I'm a hell of a lot happier to wake up in the morning than I was waking up for my 9-to-5 job. If you resonate with this, even just a little bit, then I highly recommend that you watch those videos and judge for yourself what's possible. So you know what to do. I will see you in your emails.